Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you guys on how you can fix lag on PUBG Mobile on low-end devices. I'm going to show you the cool and easy way to make PUBG Mobile to run smoothly on your device. Either 2GB RAM, 4GB RAM, or 6GB RAM device. So before I continue, watch the video at the end, and don't forget to like and subscribe. So the first thing to do is to Google Play Store and download this app called Game Booster 4x Faster. So I already installed and am not gonna uninstall. So make sure you download and then wait for a few minutes. So after installing the app, so I already installed and am not gonna uninstall. So make sure you download and then wait for a few minutes. So after installing the app, now that the app is launched, go to GFX tool. You set the resolution to the lowest 960 or 1280. Tap Next. Then what you have to do is to increase the FPS to the highest option 144 FPS, then the graphics you decrease it to balance to the lowest. Tap Next. So tap on the X button. Tap on this Ultra Boost button. So I have to activate this. Tap on this button. Step 3 is to add PUBG Mobile to this Game Booster app, so tap on the plus button. Search the game I want to boost, which is PUBG Mobile. Tap on the left arrow back. So now what you have to do is tap on PUBG Mobile game. Then you wait for the app to do it mighty. It's just completed.
Yeah.
Just tap on Launch PUBG Mobile. Let's wait to boot up. So now that this game has loaded up, you can see that the graphics has reduced graphics and it's now run smooth, which actually shows its works. And as you can see, the graphics has solved and the game has been reduced to the lowest, but PUBG Mobile now runs smoother without lag. So this is just one of the best and easy ways to fix lag on PUBG, but remember that lag can caused by several factors, and if the tips doesn't work, don't hesitate to try other solutions or seek additional help, and that's it for the video. If you have any question, suggestions or feedback, you can let us know in the comments section. If you find this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification to see more videos so that you support me and help keep this channel growing. So thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next one.